Let me ask you something. What if your real age has nothing to do with your birthday? Because right now, deep inside your body, your cells are keeping score. Your blood, your metabolism, even your DNA are tracking how fast you are truly aging. And here is what's shocking. Some people are biologically 10 years older than their actual age, while others are 10 years younger. So, what makes the difference? It is not luck, it is your daily choices, your food, your stress levels, your sleep, even your thoughts. I am Prasad Veerasingh, consultant registered dietitian and diabetes care education specialist at Harper University Hospital here in Michigan. Today I am going to show you the real science, not hype, behind what speeds up aging and what can slow it down. We all know our chronological age, the numbers of years we have lived, but biological age is different. It reflects how quickly your body is wearing down on the inside. Think of it like this. Two people can both be 40 years old, but one may have the organs and metabolism of 30 years old, while the other may already resemble a 50-year-old internally. Scientists measure this using blood markers like cholesterol, sugar, inflammation, metabolic health indicators, and even changes on your DNA called epigenetic markers. These markers can predict risk of chronic diseases, physical strength and energy, brain health, and even lifespan. Here's the most important takeaway. Your biological age is not fixed. It responds to how you live. Inside your body, your DNA is not just static. It's constantly being regulated. Small chemical tags called DNA, methylation markers, sit on your DNA and change over time. These changes are influenced by what you eat, your stress levels, your environment, and your habits. Scientists use these changes to estimate your biological age using tools like PinoAge, predicts long-term health and disease risks. Deonodine pace measures how fast you are aging right now. The powerful part, your lifestyle can either speed up or slow down these clocks. Your body remembers everything. Your habits leave a biological fingerprint. Let's talk about something most people ignore: stress and anxiety. Research shows that people who constantly worry about aging, especially health anxiety, tend to age faster biologically. But here's the twist: it is not just the stress itself, it is what stress makes you do. When stress increases, people often eat more unhealthy foods, sleep poorly, move less, drink or smoke more, and that's what accelerates aging internally. This is called biological embedding. Your thoughts shape your behaviors, which shape your biology. So, your mind is not just physiology, it becomes physical over time. Can you actually slow aging? Now, here's the good news, and this is empowering. Your biological age can change. Large long-term studies involving thousands of people shows a clear pattern. People who follow healthier lifestyle patterns age more slowly, have better health, and slower risk of disease. And one factor stands out above all: diet quality. Now let's see how your diet affects your age. Let's simplify the science. People who eat highly inflammatory diets, meaning diets high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats, age faster biologically. But people who follow diets like Mediterranean, DASH, balanced whole food diets show significantly slower aging markers. What does that mean in real terms? Better diet leads to lower inflammation, better cholesterol balance, improved blood sugar control, and ultimately a younger internal body. Some researchers has even looked at how individual foods relate to aging patterns. Foods often linked to faster aging in certain patterns include processed meats, added sugar, highly refined foods, while foods linked to better aging outcomes includes nuts, lean proteins, fruits, healthy fats. Surprisingly, even foods like pizza showed mixed association in certain data sets. What does that mean? It's not about the single foods. It's about pattern. Consistency matters more than perfection. What's happening inside your body? Across all studies, two major systems drive aging: Number 1, inflammation. High inflammation speed up cellular damage and aging. Number 2, metabolic health. Poor lipid levels, insulin resistance, and high triglycerides accelerates aging. Healthy diets improve both. So, when you eat better, you are not just eating healthy, you are actually slowing down biological wear and tear. The bigger picture, aging is not just physical, it is shaped by combination of biology, behavior, psychology and environment. This is called the biopsychosocial model. Your body is constantly responding to how you live, think and feel. Now I'm going to discuss the three pillars of slow aging. To simplify everything, we can break aging into three pillars. Pillar number 1, inflammation. Lower it, slower aging. Pillar number 2, metabolic health. Better sugar, cholesterol and weight leads to healthier cells. Pillar number 3, stress and mindset. Calm mind, healthier body. If you improve these three, you can directly influence your biological age. Now let's see your practical blueprint. Here's how to apply this in real life. Eat smarter. Focus on whole foods. Increase fruits and vegetables and nuts. Reduce processed meats and added sugars. Move daily. Walking, strength training or any activity that support metabolism and improve triglyceride to HDL ratio, maintain healthy body fat levels, manage stress, practice mindfulness, improve sleep, reduce constant worry, stay consistent. Small daily improvements matter more than extreme changes. Now I'm going to give you simple weekly reset plan, a practical routine you can follow. Day number 1, plan and prep healthy meals. Day number 2, focus on stress reduction. Day number 3, strength training. Day number 4, high fiber foods. Day number 5, omega-3 rich meals. Day number 6, social connection and relaxation. Day number 7, rest, reflect and reset. Your biological age is not your destiny. It is a reflection of your daily choices. What you eat, how you think, how you manage stress. All of it is shaping how fast or how slowly you age. So the question is not how old are you? The real question is how young do you want your body to feel and your cells to behave? This is NutriFocus with R.D. Prasad, where science meets practical nutrition and where small changes create powerful long-term transformation. If you found this useful, share it with someone who needs it. Because aging well is not luck, it's knowledge and apply daily. Stay healthy, stay mindful and stay focused with NutriFocus. I will see you in the next one. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell button. Then you will not miss my future videos.